Hey everybody, it's Bryan. Hey, let's take my BETAFPV Air65 TinyWhoop across the street to the park and do some whooping. we took the Air65 TinyWhoop to the park, and we had a great time. That was fun. That was really fun to go out and fly this thing. Um, I could see it tremble in the slightest breeze. You could see it shaking in the video a tiny bit. Anytime there's like the slightest breeze it was fighting. And I mean the slightest breeze. But overall, man, I mean, I maneuvered it okay. I did some flips. I did some rolls in horizon mode, and it was just super fun. A little bit of a bummer having to change the battery every 3 minutes. I'm used to the DJI drones that I have lasting a lot longer, but overall, not a big deal. I just carried a pocket full of batteries with me over to the park. So, anyways, yeah, that was awesome. It makes me want to buy something just a little bit more stable outside. We'll see about that. But, anyways, thanks for hanging out with me. Thanks for flying with me. We'll catch you on the next one.